Good morning, friends. Welcome to today's episode of Trade with Edge, our pre-market report. Let's straight away jump to important news. So that is good news on front of Israel war. Israel-Hamas reached ceasefire agreement designed to end 15-month Gaza war. RVNL backs 3,600 crore contract from BSNL. OFSS declared result. Oracle Finance results were net profit fell by 27%. Revenues dipped by 6%. The numbers are not that great. LTTS net profit down by 4.1% due to low profit margin and revenues up by 9.5%. So this is third result in IT front is not that great after HCL Tech. GAIL announces settlement agreement in connection with pending arbitration proceedings and will receive $285 million. Exide announces investment of 150 crore into subsidiary Exide Energy Solutions. Azad Engineering bags contract worth $112 million. And CEAT net profits are down by 47%, revenues up by 11%. So this series of bad news or bad result continues this quarter also. Last quarter we have seen market fell because of not that great results plus appreciating currency. So there were many factors contributing to it, but that bad result scenario again continues. So on an important news, inflation rate increased from 2.7% in November to 2.9% in December, in line with analyst estimate, and core inflation rate declined from 3.3 to 3.2%. So this is US inflation we are talking about, and market taken it positively that core inflation reduced and US markets were up by almost 1.5% yesterday. We can see that US market recovery is celebrated by all the Asian market. All Asian markets are up. Even GIFT Nifty is indicating 140 points gap up. Important results to be declared today are a result heavy day. Reliance Industries, Infosys, Axis Bank, LTIM, Havels, Wari Renewables, Mastech. So these are few important results which are going to be declared today. But yes, two heavyweights, Reliance and Infosys, having weightage of almost, you can say, 20% plus on the index. So tomorrow would be a volatile day. Now, if we analyze the Nifty daily chart, we can see here, I was talking about this level since last 2 days, or 23,270 to 23,300 range, we can say. And market is facing resistance there. Now, possibly we might take out this level with a gap today. Okay, so after gap up, now this level has to be held on by the bulls. And if we sustain that level, there is possibility of recovery path. Yes. Bank Nifty, this is important level which was Bank Nifty breakdown. Now possibly with today's US market, good indication from US market, Asian markets are good, and with SGX gap up, we might test this level within few days, and then we have to see how Bank Nifty react at this level. So we discussed this stock yesterday, BSE, and we have seen almost it went up by after gap up, almost close up 6%. Now just analyze this chart of Reliance Industries. It's at a channel support level. So even in case of a not that great result, we might test this channel and we can show some recovery. Or with good result, if we take out this trend line, then also there is possibility of recovery. So yes, I am positive on Reliance from this level onwards. At least that odds are, or you can say level is very good for bulls. And on OI front, yesterday I can see a muted action, maybe because of the low premiums or what. Very small call writing around 23,300, 23,200 to 23,300 range, and put unwinding. But you can see far OTM puts are unwound and they are shifting to near one. So just small, you can additional premium gaining, but I can't see a major writing around a ATM level. If I see the open OI data, there is huge building at 23,200 and 23,300 range, and there are few call writers here. So with gap up, can market trap these call writers? So if with gap up, market, say after gap up, market sustains that level and further goes up, then these call writers would be underwater. And we have seen that whenever in an extremely bearish market, with gap, normally the complacent or late writers are get trapped. So when late writers get trapped, they will push up the market with their covering. So today my focus would be on bull trades. Obviously gap up you can't trade, but after gap up I'll see some dip or recovery. I'll be using that for my bullish trades, or maybe after some range bound move, another fresh breakout, I'll be looking at the bullish trades. Obviously I'll be observing the data of these call writers, but yes, data is showing some indication of possible of a trap rally. You know, trap bulls, trap call writers might push the market up. चलिए अब लेवल्स देख लेते हैं आज का. नाउ ऑब्वियसली वी आर गोइंग टू ओपन अबोव दिस लेवल. So my strong above level is 23,291. Till this level is held on, I'll say that market is in bulls. We can also say that we are forming one triangle kind of pattern. The target for this would be another from here 200 to 300 points. So first target is 23,364 and second target would be 23,440. Week below level is 23,166. Below this level, targets would be 23,073. But yes, trap call writers might push market till 23,440 to even 23,500 level also. Okay, so maybe one good day for bulls. Now let's observe Bank Nifty chart. So Bank Nifty strong above level is 49,080. Week below level is 48,704. So above 49,080 we might test 49,387 level and 49,650 level. Now this is the level where there was a breakdown, and this is important resistance level. Now how market react at this level is important, but at first I'll book my longs around here. So whatever longs I'm carrying or I'll take intraday, I'll book around here because that's the target level, and then I'll see how market react. One good news is I can spot a cup and handle pattern here, जिसका breakout भी 49,080 level ही है, and above this level we might see, if you calculate this range, 48 to 49, so another 1,000 points, so approximately 50,000 target बन रहा है cup and handle का. Okay, I'll play for that. So guys, अगेन ये डेटा मैं कैसे रीड करता हूं आपको सीखना है तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया है उस पर क्लिक कीजिए. यू विल गेट अ इन्विटेशन फॉर आवर ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन वेबिनार एंड सेमिनार्स. नाउ अगर आप वीडियो देख रहे और फॉलो नहीं कर रहे, प्लीज फॉलो कीजिए, बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए ताकि आपको अलर्ट्स मिलती रहे दैट जब भी वीडियो अपलोड होता है. Thank you so much guys. See you tomorrow.